Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to access all the stop words using NLTK for English. In this case you can also do this for another languages as well, but in this case we're going to do it for English. Okay, so let's access nltk.corpus and we're going to access the stop words class. Okay, so let's iterate through. We could do words equal stop words dot words, and we pass the language as an argument, okay, as a parameter, and we have this list of words. Let's just iterate over the words and let's print each word on the screen. So let's do this, and we should be able to see all the words, all the stop words in English. So we have the pronouns I, me, my, myself, we, our, ours, ourselves, you, you are, you've, you, you'd, your, yours, yourself, yourselves, he, him, himself, she, she's, her, hers, herself, it's itself, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. Okay, so you guys can see we have all those stop words, which you can use this as a filter to remove from some document, which will help you have to have a clean document to work with tasks such as classification and so on. So thank you again for watching this video, guys, and see you guys next time.